You're the best.
It went away.
The honey badger break-in. Another creature case.
I don't know if I'm gonna post this, but I'm gonna make some soup right now. As you can see, my voice is gone, but I'm gonna make some soup right now for me and Nia. So yeah, just gonna make this.
Can I talk? Do you know why my mom's voice is down? Why? Is it hot in there? Is it hot? Nothing. Well, right now I'm gonna film my mom. Hey, hello. This is what you look like. Wait, why are you not standing up? Stand up. Stand up. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my mom's channel. She's making some soup, and do you know why her voice is down?
We're both sick, and I'm making soup for both of us.
What? So, we're both the same. We're both sick and we're making soup for us. Is it hot in there? Huh?
You're making it hot with your hot breath.
Yeah, breath. Mommy, you have hot.
Okay, guys. Oh, I don't even know if I'm gonna put this part of the clip in because I have a sound. But I just woke up from a nap. I was extremely tired, so I took a nap for like an hour or two. These are clothes that just came out the laundry. I'm gonna fold them up now. So yeah, don't know if I'm gonna put this part of the clip. I'll sound horrible.
No other eyes reveal. I accidentally broke Needy's bed. I jumped on it.
Look at the camera so you know what you're recording.
I jumped on Needy's bed like this, and then it broke.
And show them what I'm doing.
My mom is unscrewing the stuff, the screw things out, so she can make it over again.
So we're gonna throw it away.
And then we're gonna throw it away so we can get another bed. Is that what you said? Is that what you mean?
Show them with the camera. Thank you.
Welcome.
So cute. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because I sound nasty, but we took the bed out. It's a mess because we do store their shoes under the bed, but we're gonna get her another bed. I haven't found one that I liked yet, but they do have a lot on Amazon. And then I'm doing laundry, and these are clothes I'm going to donate or throw away. And then here, so this is the Christmas tree that I got from Five Below. It's actually not bad for what we paid. It was only $5, which is a great price. Their first Christmas tree in their room. They have a whole bunch of random ornaments. I love to thrift, so a lot of these ornaments, like this one, are like thrifted. If they're not thrifted, they're probably from Dollar Tree. This is the only, this one and that one, the mermaid, and this one is from Target. These are from Target, as well as these purple lights are from Target. So I actually found some fake snow that I've been had. I don't know from when, but I'm going to take everything off so I can spray it with the fake snow. I started to regret getting the, the green one, and was wishing I got the white one. But I'm gonna spray paint it and hopefully it comes out perfect. I'm gonna do it now, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so let's do it now.
I'll start.
Just take everything off and put it on the couch.
After we're gonna put them back on.
Yeah. So let me get a bag so I can put on the floor. We can spray things.
Mommy, can I spray paint it too? What?
Hopefully it doesn't stink.
I'll grab the tree.
Thank you. Take that ornament off.
This is the last ornament.
Alright, so it says perfect for applying a frost to Christmas trees. And then it says shake for at least 5 seconds before use. Hold can slightly 8 to 12 inches from surface. Use short and even to apply after using light hands. Be careful with the camera. Be careful with the camera. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's try not to get it on here.
Okay.
Not too close. Be careful where you spray. No, see? Girl.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh,
You said, and wait, but you gotta look. This has to face the tree. The little circle.
Good job, Mommy. You remember Franklin over there?
Let's see if it got on the floor.
It got on the floor a little bit right here, Mommy. And I won't just stop.
Okay, it's making you cough over there. No, because you're coughing. Go over there.
Is that because of that?
I think so.
Why does it smell so good?
Then it is over.
Maybe it's because you didn't let me do some too.
Where I got this from. Okay, so this is what it's looking like.
Yeah, it kind of looks like ours, but me and mom's tree, but no.
I'm gonna see if I can find some more spray snow, but for now it's okay. Tomorrow we going out, so I'll try. I'm not gonna put the ornament back on today. I'm gonna wait, see if I can find more, and yeah. If I can't, then this will be the front of the tree right here. The back didn't really get much.
Yep. Mom, can I put the straw on? I'm taking medicine. Nasty, nasty. Yeah, nasty. It's nasty. Mommy.
Hold your thing. You must. Look, I gotta take way more than this. Okay, I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Get yours.
Let me smell your breath.
Wait, it smells like cherry.
You do it again?
Yours smells like cherry.
That was bad nasty, guys. Sorry.
It was really nasty.
Yeah. It's nasty, nasty.
Nasty, wet stay. I gotta do your hair. I'm gonna do your hair today.